Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Profitly. If you've ever dreamed of starting your own blog, sharing your passion with the world, and even earning an income from it, you're in the right place. Today, we're rediving deep into the ultimate guide to launching a successful and profitable blog in 2025. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step roadmap to turn your blogging dreams into reality. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the foundation of any great blog, your niche. This is the specific topic you'll be writing about. I know it sounds simple, but this is the most crucial decision you'll make. You might be tempted to pick a niche just because it's popular or you think it's profitable, but trust me, that's a recipe for burnout. The best niche is one you're genuinely passionate about. Is it vegan cooking, retro video games, sustainable fashion, urban gardening? Whatever it is, it should be something you can talk about for hours, something that gets you excited. Why? Because blogging requires consistency, and you can only be consistent if you truly love your subject. Think about it. What do your friends always ask you for advice on? What could you read about all day? That sweet spot where your passion meets your knowledge is where your perfect niche lives. Make a list of your hobbies and interests and see what stands out. This passion will shine through in your writing and attract a community of people who share your enthusiasm. All right, you've picked your passion-fueled niche. What's next? Creating content that people actually want to read. This is where the magic happens. Your goal is to create valuable content. Value means your content solves a problem, answers a question, entertains, or inspires your audience. It's not about you. It's about them. Before you write a single word, put yourself in your ideal reader's shoes. What are they struggling with? What are they curious about? For example, if your niche is home organization, you wouldn't just write, "I organized my closet today." Instead, you'd create a post like 5 simple steps to declutter your closet this weekend. Or the best budget-friendly organizers for small spaces. See the difference? One is a diary entry, the other provides a solution. Aim to create detailed, engaging, and easy-to-read posts. Use headings, bullet points, and images to break up the text. And don't forget to inject your own personality. Your unique voice is what will make people come back for more. Now, you could write the most amazing blog post in the world, but if no one can find it, does it even exist? That's where SEO or search engine optimization comes in. Don't let the acronym scare you. The basics are actually quite simple. SEO is all about making your blog easy for search engines like Google to find and understand. It starts with keyword research. Keywords are the phrases people type into Google. You want to find keywords relevant to your niche that people are searching for. Tools like Google Keyword Planner or other free online options can help you discover what your audience is looking for. Once you have your keywords, you'll want to sprinkle them naturally throughout your blog post, in your title, in your headings, and in the main body of your text. Another key part of SEO is making sure your website is fast and mobile-friendly, as most people browse on their phones. Think of SEO as building a clear signpost that points directly to your amazing content. It's an ongoing process, but getting the fundamentals right from the beginning will give you a massive advantage. Okay, so your content is amazing and optimized for search engines. Now, it's time to shout it from the rooftops. Can't just hit publish and hope for the best. You need to actively promote your blog. Social media is your best friend here. Figure out where your target audience hangs out online. Are they on Instagram, Pinterest, X, Facebook, or TikTok? Create a profile for your blog on 1 or 2 key platforms and start sharing your posts. But don't just drop a link and run. Engage with people. Share behind-the-scenes content, ask questions, and create a community around your brand. Another powerful promotion strategy is networking. Connect with other bloggers in your niche. Leave thoughtful comments on their posts, share their content, and build genuine relationships. You could even collaborate on a post or a project down the line. The more you put yourself out there and build connections, the more traffic you'll drive back to your blog. Promotion is an active, ongoing effort, not a one-time task. So your blog is up. You're creating great content, and the traffic is starting to build. Now for the exciting part, making money. There are several ways to monetize your blog, and you can even use a combination of them. The most common starting point is display advertising. You can join ad networks like Google AdSense and they'll place relevant ads on your site. You earn a small amount of money every time someone sees or clicks on an ad. It won't make you rich overnight, but it's a great source of passive income as your traffic grows. Next up is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products you love and use, and if someone buys that product through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. The key here is authenticity. Only promote products you genuinely believe in. Your audience trusts you, so don't break that trust for a quick buck. Finally, as your blog grows and your authority builds, you can explore sponsored content. This is when brands pay you to write a post or create a video featuring their product. This is often the most lucrative monetization method, but it comes after you've established a solid following and reputation. My final and perhaps most important piece of advice is this: be consistent and be patient. Blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. You won't get thousands of visitors or make thousands of dollars in your first month. It takes time to build an audience, gain trust, and see results from your SEO efforts. Success comes from showing up consistently, week after week, and providing value. Create a realistic content schedule for yourself. Maybe it's 1 post a week, or 2 posts a month. Whatever it is, stick to it. Celebrate the small wins: your first 100 visitors, your first comment from a stranger, your first dollar earned. There will be days when you feel like no one is reading, but don't give up. Every successful blogger you admire started at zero. They just kept going. Your consistency is what will separate you from the thousands of blogs that are abandoned every year. Keep learning, keep creating, and keep believing in the value you have to offer. And that's a wrap on our comprehensive guide to starting a profitable blog in 2025. We covered everything from finding your perfect niche and creating valuable content, to mastering SEO, promoting your work, and finally monetizing your passion. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your first step is deciding to start. You have a unique voice and perspective that the world needs to hear. I hope this video has given you the confidence and the clear plan you need to launch your blog and start building something amazing. If you found this guide helpful, I'd be so grateful if you hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. And be sure to drop a comment below letting me know what you plan to blog about. I can't wait to read your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.